This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build.
Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 69 of Building Robocop. We're continuing with the left arm today. I think we've got the shoulder to put together. But we've got Metal Knight, the first half of a solid, fast-paced series. Yeah, this is the first series. The pilot episode was filmed. Scripts are ready for the first half. Cool, all good stuff. It's all right, I suppose. It could be better. I wonder if they're going to redo it. I mean, they've remade the film, but it wasn't quite as good as the original. But there we go. Let's have a look. Robocop episodes are generally self-contained. Exception for a two-part story. So 4 is just, yeah. I like a self-contained TV series rather than having lots of ongoing character development's fine. But story arcs, yeah, get it wrapped up in one episode. So yeah, this is the shoulder which we're attaching. It looks like we've got some bits to put onto that at some point. So, outside plate, I can't really tell. Not really sure about that, but yeah, nice and easy. I think there's only one screw to put in, or two screws to put in. Got two by the looks of that, but I think it's just showing one from multiple sides. They give us 3, so there's probably 2 screws to go in. But we'll figure that out when we get to the build. Looking at robotic suits, strength and endurance, yeah. Better lifting and walking for people that are having trouble, but, or indeed need more effort. Prescriptive analysis, AI for analysing stuff, that's what it's good at. Autonomous robots in factories, yeah, all good things. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's start on this build of the shoulder. Yeah, so here we go. This is what we've got. Another nice big metal piece. Yeah, I'm not sure about these bits around there, so I don't remember any of that on the other arm. But there you go. We've got 3 screws, so we will be using 2 of those. 2 of those out. Paper back in there, so we know what screw that is left in there. First things, we're going to put the little cover over the inside of that. It doesn't need any screws, that's just going to pop in place. Like that. And then we've got our piece from last time, which is going over there, and the 2 screws, one either side, to go into those 2 bits there. Held by itself as well. This is more to stop it wriggling around rather than to actually do any securing. In there, get that one in that side. Have a bit out of the way. Go. Done up nice and securely, as obviously this is going to have to support the entire arm. So there we go. We have our arm and it's going to bend as needs be as well. All good stuff in there. I like it. I do like the way this is coming together. I wasn't too sure to begin with, but I do like it now. Inner armour being rubbery makes it look quite nice. So, yeah, I'm still not sure about that. I don't know when we're going to find out about that. Oh, there's obviously panels that go over the top of it. It's got a 3 and a 4 written on there. So these are not going to be visible. They're just fixing points for a panel that's going to go in on the top. That's interesting. Okay. Makes sense now. Right, that will do for that. There is one more issue in this delivery, so I shall get to that in a couple of days for you. And I'll see you for that very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.